Areas related to circles.
I welcome all of you to this maths lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss some more example questions or some more exercise of the topic areas of combinations of plane figures. So this is the next question. A picture of a racing track is given whose left and right ends are like some semicircles. And the question is here, and some of the measurements are given. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Second, the area of the track. Two sub-questions. So we can mark the given measurements in the picture. So what all things are given? One is the distance between the two inner parallel line segments. That is given that 60 meter. And that is this distance. This distance is given that 60 meter. What else is given? And the length of the line segment. Line segment means the semicircles region we don't have to take. So I think better I shall draw a line through this point and same in the right side. So the distance from here to here, that distance is given that 106 meter. And also the width of the track is given that 10 meter. So the width of the track, somewhere we can note that 10 meter, that is also given. First sub-question, the distance around the track along its inner edge. And second sub-question, the area of the track. So you pause the video and take time and think how we can find these two sub-questions. So to answer the question, I think if we cut through these two lines I have drawn and connecting these two semicircle at the ends, we can form some other geometric figures. They are common to us. Look, if we cut through these lines, we will get two rectangles like this, and these two semicircles in these two ends will make a figure like this, two circles with the same centers. And here 106 will be the length of this rectangle, 106 meter, and this 10 meter will be the width of this rectangle and also the distance between the radii of these circles, and 60 meter will be the diameter of the small circle. 60 meter will be the diameter of the small circle. So the radius of the small circle will be 30 meter, right? So you look here, this 60 meter is the distance between the inner parallel line segments. So if you take at this left end, you can see in the figure that will be the diameter of the inner semicircle, right? So the radius of the corresponding circle will be half into 60, that will be 30. And the radius of the big circle will be this 30 plus this 10, the width of the track, that will be 40 meter. Okay, actually, when you answer the question, you don't have to draw separate pictures like this. I drew it to explain the picture more clear to you. If you understood the technique or method to find the answers of the sub-question, then that's fine. Okay. So look at the first sub-question, the distance around the track along its inner edge. So what we have to do here in the picture, we want to find this region, this length, this total length. So to get that, what we have to do? In this figure, from here to here, you can see the mouse pointer, this will be 106, and the below also that line segment distance will be 106, that is given. And in the left side and the right side, these two semicircles will form a circle I have drawn below with radius 30 meter. So it is enough to add perimeter or the circumference of the small circle with 2 times 106. You will get the distance around the track along its inner edge. So we can do here. First sub question answer. 2 into 106 plus 2 pi r. R is 30. You can substitute here. So in the next step, 2 into 106 is 212 plus 2 pi into 30 will be 60 pi. I think we can stop here because pi value is not given. Or you can take 4 common outside because 4 is a factor of 212 and 60. That is also fine. Or you can stop here, no problem. 212 plus 60 pi. You want to write the unit. The lengths are given in meter. So the unit is meter. And next sub question is the area of the track. How we can find the area of the track? Areas of the track will be the sum of the areas of these two rectangles and the area between these two circles. I have drawn below. Okay. We can do here. Area of the track is equal to 2 into area of rectangle plus area between circles. So we can substitute values in the next step. 2 into area of the rectangle, that is 106 into 10, right? 106 into 10 plus area between the circles. We have the formula pi r square to find the area of a circle. So pi into, well, for large circle the radius is 40. So pi into 40 square minus pi into 30 square. In the next step, 2 into 106 into 10, it will be 2120 plus pi into 40 square minus pi into 30 square. I think pi can be taken outside the bracket. So pi into 40 square will be 1600 minus 30 square is 900. So in the next step, 2120 plus pi into, what is 1600 minus 900? That will be 700, right? So we can write 700 pi. I think we can stop here. 2120 plus 700 pi unit meter square. This will be the area of the track. I shall repeat once again. So picture of a racing track is given, and here the distance between the inner parallel line segments were given 60 meter and their lengths are 106 meter and the width of the track is given 10 meter. Now we want to find the distance around the track along its inner edges. So from the picture we understand by drawing two lines in the left and right hand, the required distance will be thus 2 times the length of the line segment, that is 106 meter, plus the perimeter or the circumference of the inner circle formed by connecting these two semicircles in both ends. And in the next sub question it is asked to find the area of the track. So area of the track will be area of these two rectangles in top and bottom plus the area between the circles formed by connecting these two regions, left and right sides. We'll get a picture like this below, you can see. So we have substituted the values, and the radius of the large circle will be 40, the radius of the small circle will be 30. Then simplifying, we'll get it 2120 plus 700 pi meter square as the area of the track.
I hope the answer is clear. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also share this video to your friends. In the next video, we will discuss some interesting questions in the same topic, areas of combinations of plane figures. So see you next time. Bye.